Okay, let's have a look at an optimization now. Vensim can also run optimization simulations. And what I mean by this is, say for example, I want to maximize my pension savings, but the only thing I can actually modify is the interest rate. So what I can do, I can tell Vensim to go and modify the interest rate within certain bounds and see if we can find a value here that will maximize my pension savings. So let's have a go at that. So first of all, let's give our run a new name and click on the Optimize tool. First of all, we need to set up what's called a payoff definition. The payoff is like our objective function if we were running a linear program problem. So let's call this payoff. And what we want to do is we want to maximize our pension savings. So let's find our pension savings. The weight we want is 1. There's more details about selecting weights in the Vensim help system, but for this example here, I'm just going to leave it as default. And let's click on OK. Okay, this screen is where we set up our optimizer. So first of all, we know that the only thing we can modify is our interest rate. So let's click on Add a Constant and select our interest rate. We give it a lower value of 0 and a higher value, highest value, 0.15, so that's 15%. Now in this example, we know that the optimizer will find that the best interest rate is 15%, but I'm just showing you quickly just how easy it is to set up an optimization and run it in Vensim. Now if we click on Finish, Vensim has run the simulations and found a value for us. Okay, let's have a look at the value for interest rate and just make sure that what Vensim has calculated is what we actually expected. So if we click on interest rate to make it our workbench variable and use the table tool, we can see that the interest rate in our optimization run is 0.15%. Now if we could get 15% as an interest rate, you can see our pension pot would be very, very high. Sadly, most of us can't get that kind of return.